In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom 404 error page for Replit. Let's dive right in and transform your 404 error page into something unique and personal. First, if you're not already on Replit, open your web browser and navigate to the Replit homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a chat box on your screen. This is an exciting tool that allows you to communicate with Replit in a more dynamic way. Here's what you'll want to type. Make a custom 404 error page for Replit. Typing this in instructs Replit on exactly what you want to accomplish. The chat feature will guide you through the process, making it a lot easier and more interactive. After typing your command into the chat box, your next move is to hit Start Chat. By doing this, you're essentially telling Replit that you're ready to engage in a conversation about building that custom 404 page. As you proceed, remember that this interaction is designed to simplify the creation process for you. It's a fantastic way for beginners to get accustomed to building projects on Replit without feeling overwhelmed. Now, the next few steps are truly exciting and pivotal to bringing your custom page to life. After you start the chat, you'll see an option to build the entire app. Click on that. Selecting this option initiates the construction of your project, setting up all the necessary components to ensure that your custom 404 page is built flawlessly. Think of this like laying the foundation for a new house. It's a crucial step and needs precision. Once the app is being built, you'll find a button labeled Start Building. Click on that to commence actual development work on your 404 page. At this stage, you're taking an active role in crafting your project, moving beyond mere setup. This setup allows you to customize the look and feel of your error page according to your preferences. As you proceed through each step, remember the customization possibilities are endless. Feel free to use your creativity to design a page that not only informs users of an error, but also engages them with your brand's personality. Customize the message, perhaps add a joke or an image to lighten the mood. Ultimately, it's about making the experience enjoyable even when the user hits a wrong turn. This brings us to the close of our journey in creating a custom 404 error page on Replit. With these steps, you've crafted a page that's both functional and uniquely yours. By following these instructions, you can ensure that visitors who stumble upon your page aren't just met with a generic error message, but rather with an experience that embodies your site's character. Thanks for watching, and happy coding on Replit.